So, ClearCryptos family, this is Oscar Ramos, your host. This is the first time I'm going to be talking about this token. I do say it a lot in my personal channel, Oscar Ramos, but for the first time here in ClearCryptos, Tectonic, tonic token from the Cronos chain coming from crypto.com. Now, why am I talking about this one? Because I've done the research for a long time, multiple months, starting doing it since the beginning of 2022. This is one of the lending and borrowing protocols from the Cronos chain. And for the last 9 days, you're seeing right now, those candlesticks, green, they do not represent 1 hour. They do not represent 4 hours. They represent an entire day. And right now, everybody, if you weren't aware, in the Cronos ecosystem, we are happy, excited, and it's pumping really fast. Now, here hence the question, should I buy? That is what I want to discuss by the end of this video. Go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and welcome to CCX ClearCryptos, which, by the way, the token has been launched and it exploded. So go ahead and take a look at that one too. In a bear market, people can still make money, and you're seeing it right now on the screen. Now, in all, what Tectonic is the top 2 by total value locked on DeFi Llama from Cronos chain that allows anyone in the Cronos chain to borrow and lend their tokens from Cronos ecosystem, say USD, Ethereum, Crow, what have you, right? At a percentage because you are lending it, or a percentage because you are borrowing it. And it's very important when you have a DeFi ecosystem in a blockchain. Definitely you need some type of assets to collateralize your crypto and your digital assets. So it's paramount to have something healthy. And the price of Tectonic collapsed since the beginning of 2022, very bad. But now, in the last couple of days, right, we've seen the price shoot up all the way to the moon, and it hasn't stopped ever since. Obviously, the price will at some point stop and retrace back. We're going to continue this conversation, but at the moment, there's a lot of people excited. And what I will tell you is I do have some staked for 4 years, which is so long. I know some people don't like that, but to me, 4 years from now, we're only going to have but much better news when it comes to crypto as a whole. Maybe at bull market, bear market, by then we'll just have to see. But right here, what I'm gonna go ahead and do for you guys, I'm gonna zoom out, because the first picture that you see, it looks really nice, but how about this one, right? I'm not trying to be or hide anything. It's about clear and transparency here. And what you're seeing is a massive jump from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 1 to 7 zeros, 9, and now 6 zeros, 1. So if the price from right here where we are at goes all the way to the maximum price we had before, there you have it. A very rich status, pretty much. Now, one of the cool things is that we had the same circulating supply and total supply from back then to right now. That's one of the things that Tectonic does not do. They don't do burning, but of course that might change later on, as they have said on their Medium, on their protocol, and on governance too. There you have it, everybody. Tectonic, VPS Finance, this one, MMF, Ferro Protocol, Dark Crypto, and many more are just a few of them that compromise and add to the Cronos chain ecosystem that Oscar Ramos talks a lot in their in my channel, and I understand them well. And it's just the very beginning. There's a lot of money being pumped, so then more development comes and more people take advantage of a $100 million accelerator. It's up to you guys. Take a look at this one. If you want to buy it, of course, go to crypto.com, buy it, and then the sky's the limit after that. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll see you next time, guys. Tectonic, don't miss it. Peace.